This is Ken Rockwell with the Fuji XC 50 to 230 millimeter OIS unboxing. Here's the box. It's cardboard, micro corrugated cardboard as usual. Open it up. We've got an instruction manual in about 57 different languages. We've got some warranty paperwork. We've got the lens in some cardboard shell there. We have the hood, which is clearly marked Fujifilm and 50 to 230. We've got the lens wrapped in plastic. We open up our lens. We've got a cap. We've got not an official cap, not a traditional rear cap that you would keep in your bag. This is what I call a transit cap, which keeps the dust off, because this is a basic lens intended for, does it bayonet? Not really. It's just a basic transit cap. You throw this away after you get the lens and throw this in your bag, or you actually just stick this on a camera, and you've got a standard cap. And that's your unboxing. Thanks for watching, KenRockwell.com.